Well, hello YouTube and welcome back to another video, and if you don't know, my name is James and I run a Caterham called Fern, and this is a video about Mallory Park, and wow, what a circuit. It was my first time at Mallory Park, and this was a Caterham and Lotus 7 club day, and yeah, had an absolutely brilliant time. And I'll show you one of my fastest laps. And I'll also release a video showing a few laps, because before I've done a circuit I quite like watching videos like that, just so you can see, a few laps all together, so you can try and learn the circuit. But yeah, an absolutely brilliant day. One thing to mention is that when you kind of park up at the circuit, you're in the middle of the circuit, so you have to literally cross over the track. So that means that you can only get out to get fuel at lunchtime, and they might let you get out at the kind of afternoon, I don't know, halfway through probably. That's what they did for us. There was fuel on site, but it was very expensive and kind of normal kind of petrol. For high octane petrol, I will put a link in the description for the closest place, because we were all a bit unsure on the day, so hopefully that will help somebody in the future. But yeah, absolutely brilliant day. But here is one of my fastest laps. So here is one of my best laps at Mallory Park. Unfortunately I missed some of my best laps with the GPS data, because, well, GoPro GPS data is a bit sketchy, it doesn't always work. So this is one with GPS data, and here we are crossing the start-finish straight of Mallory Park. It's actually called Kirby Straight, so yeah, foot to the floor, and I was waiting for this escape road here, kind of on the left, until I was lifting off, and then kind of like coasting around here. But it seemed really quick at the time, but I don't hear any tyre squeal, do you? So I think it definitely should have been going quicker. And then again, foot to the floor, going out of this corner, and we're on the steppy straight now. And again in fourth gear, we stay in fourth gear a lot, and then braking a little bit into the John Cooper S's, hitting the apex there, which I think is pretty good. Probably should have been carrying a bit more speed, but yeah, foot flat to the floor again. And then we're going into, or braking down into Shaw's hairpin. So I hear a bit of tyre squeal. Yep, hear a bit of tyre squeal, so not too bad. Probably should have been a little bit more to the left, or carried a bit more speed. Here is Devil's Elbow. I hesitated a little bit there, but you definitely can do flat out. And then we're back onto the start-finish straight of Kirby Straight. So this is one of my best laps of Mallory Park. So I think that was an okay lap, but yeah, definitely could have done some improvement. I did have some tuition near the end of the day, but because it was right at the end of the day, I didn't have much time to kind of improve on it. So yeah, I really want to go back. But it looks like a really simple circuit on paper, because there's kind of not that many corners. But that's really good, because it means that there's not loads of circuits to kind of learn, and you can kind of push yourself a bit earlier on. And the first corner, for instance, well, all of the circuit's all about kind of carrying as much speed as you can through the corners, and it's always like that on a track day, I suppose, but especially the first corner. And that's definitely a kind of see how big your balls are kind of moment, because yeah, it's quite intimidating at the start. But yeah, I really enjoyed this circuit. I enjoyed it a lot more than what I thought I would. It's probably one of my favourites, actually. But yeah, really looking forward to going back at some point. And yeah, a big thank you to the Caterham and Lotus 7 Club for putting the day on. And I'll release a video soon of a few laps together of me going around the circuit. Oh, and it also means that I got an extra sticker.
As you fade away, as you fade away.